Do you hate how Telegram keeps saving every photo and video to your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from automatically saving media and finally free up your storage. We're going to start by opening our Telegram app on iPhone or our Android phone, and then access the settings page by tapping on this gear icon at the bottom right. We'll then tap on this Data and Storage section, which will then get us to this page. You can see this Automatic Media Download section, which has the Wi-Fi and cellular data options. I can open this Wi-Fi section and then just disable this Auto Download Media. Or you can keep this enabled, but just select which types of media you want downloaded automatically on your device. You can select to download photos automatically, but if you don't want any videos in your gallery from the Telegram app, then just disable all of these options, so you have the ability to choose what you want to download. The same thing goes for the cellular data option. If you want to stop the auto downloading of photos and videos, just disable this switch at the top and you're good to go. If you need more similar tutorials like this one, then check out my Telegram playlist from the video description, and I'll see you soon.